Why does my HVAC system smell worse after changing the filter? A new filter can make old odors seem stronger because it changes how air moves and can uncover smells already inside the system. When you change a filter, the airflow may get better, and that can pull more air through dusty ducts, wet drain pans, or dirty parts that were already holding odor. A lot of people think the filter is the smell, but the filter is usually just exposing a smell that was hiding before. If the old filter was very clogged, it may have been trapping musty or stale odors, and once it is replaced, those odors can move through the vents more freely. Sometimes the new filter is the wrong size or the wrong type, so air slips around it and carries dust straight into the system. A dirty evaporator coil can also smell like mildew because moisture collects there, especially in warm, humid weather. Another less obvious cause is a backed-up condensate drain, which can let water sit and grow slime that smells sour. If the smell is strongest right after the fan starts, that is a clue the odor is sitting in the ducts or inside the unit, not in the filter itself. The practical move is to check the filter size, inspect for moisture, and schedule a cleaning if the smell keeps coming back. One common mistake is thinking a stronger smell always means the new filter is bad, when the real issue is often dust, mold, or standing water somewhere else. A quick fix is to look for wet spots around the indoor unit and make sure the drain line is clear. Another mistake is using a filter that is too restrictive for the system because that can hurt airflow and make odors linger instead of moving out properly. A simple tip is to use the filter type your system was designed for, not just the thickest one you can buy. People also forget that a smell after a filter change can mean the system needs cleaning, not just another filter. So if the odor lasts more than a day or two, have the coil, drain pan, and ducts checked. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.